Savior Jesus, he was born on a Christmas night, on a Christmas night, in a manger so adorned, on a Christmas night, on a Christmas night. So tell all the children, boys and girls, on a Christmas night, on a Christmas night, all will sing joy to the world, on a Christmas night, on a Christmas night.
Hello. We're at Texas Roadhouse waiting. There's so many people here. It's kind of weird to do. Thumbnail. She brought the peanuts.
It's disgusting that they just throw it on the ground.
It is.
It's like this. My sneak is gonna get ruined. Oh, okay.
Picking some songs. Oh, there's stacked the holes.
No, nothing.
Alright, bye. Downtown, Lady Antebellum. Chiefs, baby. Bread. We got this bread, right?
We got this bread.
We're ready for Deepa's chair.
Hey guys. We're about to go to the Plaza and take some pictures. We're all wearing jean jackets. Look at her tie them with them nails. She's a professional. Queen. Let's go. Oh.
Alright, we made it. We parked.
It's not that cold yet. I think it's underground.
Yeah. Alright, we're gonna go get Starbucks. There's so many people here. Like a lot of people. It's freaking busy, y'all.
Emily, your caramel brulee latte?
Cheers. Alright, we got Starbucks. And now we're just walking around, because that's what you do when you come to the Plaza. You walk around, look at the lights, look at the stores, and you take pictures. Shake Shack. I want to eat here. It smells so good.
It smells amazing.
Yeah. Cute. We're in Forever 21. 30% off. Literally everything. But I don't ever shop here. It's like the little hipster vibes. Ooh. I kind of like these.
Same. I like these. I don't like these. What?
But you pull them off?
Yes, please.
We're gonna do the birds.
I'm really shook.
There they go. Hold on to the bars too. Y'all had it. Y'all had it. Hey, come on. Yes. Okay, Eleanor's gonna open her present for me.
Love it. Yay! Fuzzy socks. Scrunchy. And lip gloss. Thanks!
You're welcome.
I'll wear it tonight. We're leaving because Jake's sick.
Jade's not feeling good. She's sick. We're gonna end Vlogmas.
We'll see you guys tomorrow.